Hi, this is S. Mato, Accounts and Tax Consultant from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. A supplier can opt for GST registration under composition scheme. For opting this scheme, you must have to know the eligibility criteria to opting this scheme. There are two important eligibility criteria. First is type of supplier. Type of supplier means what kind of core business activity you have. Under these four kind of core business activity is included. First is manufacturer. Remember, manufacturer does not include the manufacturing of tobacco, ice cream, pan masala and etc. Second is trader, third is restaurant service provider, and fourth is other service provider. Second important eligibility criteria is turnover threshold limit. For this purpose, government has apportioned the state in two category. First is special state category and second is other state category. In special state category, government includes 7 states in this. First is Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Nagaland, Tripura and Uttarakhand. For this state, the turnover threshold limit is for manufacturer, trader and restaurant service provider. This is up to rupees 75 lakhs in preceding financial year, and for other service provider the threshold limit is up to 50 lakhs rupees in preceding financial year. And for other state which is not included in special state, the turnover threshold limit is for manufacturer, trader and restaurant service provider. The threshold limit is 1.5 crore rupees in preceding financial year, and for other service provider rupees 50 lakhs in preceding financial year. Okay, it means if you are a manufacturer, trader or restaurant service provider or other service provider and your turnover is up to the threshold limit, then you can opt for composition scheme. Remember, if you opted this scheme, you will get some benefit also. And this benefit are, if you opt this scheme, then you have to pay small taxes, okay, with the fixed rate of tax. If you are a manufacturer, then you have to pay only 1% tax of your turnover, and if you are a trader, then you have to pay 1% tax of your taxable turnover. If you are a restaurant service provider, then you have to pay 5% of your turnover, and if you are other service provider, then you have to pay 6% of your turnover. Okay, and you are not required to generate invoices if you opted the composition scheme, but in place of invoices you have to generate the bill of supply. Remember, if you opted this scheme, then you have some limit also. What are these limit? These limit are you are not able to do a interstate outward supply, but you can purchase from interstate. Okay, second limit is you will not get the benefit of input tax credit, and next limit is you will not be able to supply through the e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart and etc. Remember one thing, if you opted this scheme, then you are not able to the supply of that types of goods which are not taxable under the GST, like petroleum, alcohol and etc. Okay, so these are over and all knowledge for that supplier if he thinks to opt composition scheme. It will benefit for him this knowledge to keep in his mind. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you want more knowledge or want any kind of consultancy related to GST or income taxes or accountancy, then you can contact us. Please contact us on our number. Our number is mentioned on our description box. Thank you very much.